Glendale, and there's Goodyear near me, Glendale, Litchfield Park, which I love. I love Litchfield Park, Arizona. I always say if you people want to move to Arizona, move to Litchfield Park. It is the best place to be, honest to God. So beautiful. I just love it so much. So yeah, I'm hoping someday I own a home up there. Like, it's just my dream. I don't have a job. Yes, I'm a jobless Mumbai. I used to have a job, but not anymore since I decided to become a mom. Yeah, I have no job. I just sit home, which is really boring. It's not something you will like, trust me. Don't think that you will like this. No, no, no. Nobody likes this. But yeah. So we put this in here. So two of them. Oh yeah, two of these. Okay, we need to make two of these. But yeah, Arizona is the most beautiful state in the world. I just love it too much. And now we need to put this in here. All right. Where shall we put it? I'm doing Lego at the moment. If my back started not acting up, right? I'm trying. I like doing Legos, actually. I enjoy doing it. Yep. Yep. We're good on here too, looks like. Yes. So now, let's see, where shall we put this? Okay. Alrighty, so where are we gonna put it? We're gonna put it into the other piece together. Let's see. So the blues are here, and this goes right here. All right, I'm not sure how is this gonna work out, but I'm gonna try my best to see why. So it's between, so what we're gonna do is we have to remove this. Looks like we might have to remove it. Yeah, there you go. Now it might actually fit. Sorta. I'm not sure now. Maybe I made some mistake. It could well be. Well, anyway, if y'all want to see how's the weather like, let me show y'all. It's really, I can hear this sound, like really. Oh my God. Wow. Let me wear my jacket now. It is sort of cold outside. Yep. So let's go see outside. I have to wear my hat. Let's go check out outside. Because I might need to fix that Lego now. All right, it is really. You can hear the noise. Look at this, people. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Wow. Look at this. Yep, the weather outside, that's what it is. It looks like. Wow. Arizona right now. Yeah, that's the today's weather. March 7th, 2025. As you can see, the weather looks not cool.